Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create a public contest in Dream11. First, open the Dream11 app on your device and choose the specific match you want to create a contest for. Once you've selected your match, look for the My Contests section, usually located at the bottom of your screen. Tap on this section, and then you'll see a prominent Create Contest button. This is your starting point for setting up your own public contest. Next, you'll need to define the parameters for your contest. Choose the contest type that best suits your preference, whether it's a head-to-head challenge or a larger contest with many participants. Then, set the entry fee per team and the total prize pool amount you wish to offer. Finally, specify the maximum number of participants who can join your contest, ensuring it aligns with your desired scale. Now, it's time to customize the prize distribution. You can set how the prize pool will be divided among different ranks, ensuring fairness and excitement for winners. Before you finalize, take a moment to carefully review all the contest details you've entered. Double-check everything to avoid any errors. Once you are satisfied, confirm your contest creation to publish it and make it visible for other Dream11 users to join. After publishing, you can easily share your new public contest with friends and other players across various platforms to encourage participation. Remember to monitor the entries and manage your contest settings as needed throughout the match. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Be sure to check the description below for a link to these containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.